Hey chickadees. Alright, this is the last installment of Why Did Dinosaurs Lay Eggs? And we're on Did Dinosaurs Wear Armor? Okay. Check this out. That tail. Crazy. Then this little guy. I'll tell you the names in a minute. Okay, here we go. Did dinosaurs wear armor? Dinosaurs needed to protect themselves from their enemies. Some of them did this by growing great pieces of bone over their bodies. These bony plates protected the dinosaurs' soft bodies underneath, like huge shields or suits of armor. All right, so here's Triceratops. Okay, bony plate, and then the horns and the okay, and then here's Styrosaurus, another bony plate, and horns, and then this is the Eoplocephalus. Sorry, Eoplocephalus. Lots and lots and lots of protective bone. And then this little guy is like a mini Triceratops with that bony plate right there. And his name is Protoceratops. I like that one. It's still tiny. Okay, moving on. Which dinosaur had a lumpy tail? Eoplocephalus had a tail that was strengthened with lumps of bone, which you saw. When this dinosaur swung its tail, it could hit an attacker with such force that it could break a leg. Ugh. All right, then, which dinosaur had 3 horns? We know this one, don't we? Triceratops was a plant eater, and it probably used its 3 horns to frighten away attackers. It would also have used them for fighting enemies. Triceratops looked scary, but it probably spent most of its time quietly eating plants. Oh, this is a cool fact right here. See it? It says the armored dinosaur Eoplocephalus was so well protected that it even had bony plates on its eyelids, which could snap open and closed just like shutters. That's pretty interesting. All right. Ouch. How did dinosaurs have babies? How did dinosaurs have babies? Okay. I think we can guess from the picture, can't we? So let's see what it says. Okay, so let me see if I can get here. Okay. I'm having trouble with the angles, guys. Okay. Dinosaurs laid eggs just like birds, lizards, and crocodiles do today. Protoceratops was a small dinosaur the size of a pig. It lived in the desert. The female made a bowl-shaped nest in the warm sand and then laid her eggs inside it. Okay, so did dinosaurs look after their babies? Some dinosaurs did look after their babies until they were old enough to look after themselves. Maiasaura collected food for its newly hatched young and fed it to them, rather like birds feed their chicks today. The parents probably guarded their babies too. Okay, so how do we know about dinosaur babies? Scientists have found dinosaur eggs and the remains of nests that have lasted for millions of years. They have even discovered large areas where many Maiasaura mothers came to lay their eggs year after year. Kind of like the sea turtles, right? They go to the same beach, the same area every year. Okay. Why did the dinosaurs die? About 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. No one knows for sure why this happened, but something huge must have taken place to affect all life on the planet. Says the dinosaurs may have been killed by a giant rock from space, like a meteor flying and hitting the Earth. Let's see, erupting volcanoes is another theory. It says maybe volcanoes erupted, spitting out enormous clouds of ash and poisonous gas. Maybe a large lump of rock from space, a meteorite, smashed into the earth. These things can change the weather, so perhaps the dinosaurs died because it got too cold for them. I've forgotten about that theory. All right, it says, and then it says egg hunters. Some dinosaurs might have become extinct because their eggs were eaten by other animals. Shrew-like creatures around at the time may have eaten the eggs at night as dinosaurs slept. Look at the picture. They look like tiny little Ninja Turtle lizards, but Ninja Turtles wouldn't do that, would they? It says, could the dinosaurs have died from a disease? This is unlikely because it wouldn't explain why so many millions of other animals died too. It is thought that more than 2/3 of all living things died at the same time as the dinosaurs, including sea creatures and plants. Pretty sad. All right. Can we find new dinosaurs? I'll read a little bit of that. The remains of animals and plants that lived long ago are called fossils. These remains are bones, teeth, eggs, and footprints that have turned to rock over millions of years. Fossils of new dinosaurs such as Jobaria and Janischia have been found in Africa. There's Jobaria and Janischia. And in this dinosaur, it says Dino Girl Laelinosaura was named after the daughter of the scientist who found its fossils. It says, how did scientists find dinosaur fossils? Fossils are difficult to find because they are usually buried deep underground. Scientists look in places where layers of rock and soil have been removed by wind or water. At Dinosaur Cove, the sea has washed away the rock, revealing the fossils of Laelinosaura. Okay, very cool. The end. All right, on to Junie B.